everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to have fresher breath in the morning. I'll be going over 4 easy steps, so let's get right into the video. If you want the freshest breath possible in the morning, this is the video for you. You only need 4 things. You only need to do 4 things in the morning, and you can have the freshest breath that you can have so that people will be happy when you speak to them instead of like taking a step back, okay? We've all been there and done that. You're talking to someone, and you can see based on their expression that your breath might not be the freshest. You know, it happens to everyone, but you don't want to make it a regular occurrence, so you should do these 4 things every single morning. I do, and it's totally revolutionized my mouth and how it tastes in the morning, even to myself. So let's get right into the video. Your breath can be fresher and your mouth will taste better. Number 1, brush your teeth thoroughly. You should be brushing your teeth for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes, okay? I know sometimes the mornings are rushed. Believe me, I have 4 kids and a wife, so I know sometimes the mornings are rushed, but just take those 2 to 3 minutes, bargain for them so that you can use those 2 to 3 minutes to brush your teeth thoroughly, meaning incorporate them into your morning routine. Wake up a few minutes earlier so you can actually brush your teeth thoroughly. You know, all of the areas of your teeth and your tongue as well, for 2 to 3 minutes. I try to go for 4, but it all depends on how much toothpaste I have on my toothbrush. And use a good quality toothpaste and a good quality toothbrush as well on that note. But that's step number 1, brush your teeth thoroughly. Step number 2, floss your teeth properly. You gotta floss every single morning and every single night at the bare minimum. It gets everything out of your teeth. You know, I didn't floss when I was younger. I was just a typical, you know, teenage boy. Like, I just brushed my teeth and moved on. And as soon as I started flossing, my whole mouth area was just so much better in terms of its freshness, how it tasted, how it felt, the smoothness of my teeth. So get a good quality floss and floss your teeth every day. What I recommend if you want is just get those like pre-made flossers and you just go like that quickly. It'll cost you a little bit extra per month, but it makes the whole morning faster and easier. And there's no wrapping it around your fingers. I use them all the time. I just happen to have this little floss container left over in one of the cupboards, like the medicine cabinets, I call it, even though there's no medicine in it. It's just like, you know, sundries, I guess they're called, hygienic supplies. So basically I had one of these left over, so I just figured I'd use it for this video. But I recommend those little hand flossers. They're just easier. You know, the ones that's like a little, it's like a little handle and you just go like that, you know, much easier, much faster, much more efficient. Step number 3 is scrape your tongue or brush your tongue. Now, I use a tongue scraper like this. This is one that I just opened. This is brand new. The other one that I was using, I just tossed out because I needed to replace it anyways. So like I said, I figured that I would use this for this video. This cost, I think it was like, I don't remember. It was like a few dollars maybe. They're not expensive and they last quite a while. And you use it to scrape your tongue. Your tongue gets so much cleaner, which is really the culprit for the bad breath. Your tongue is where all the bacteria sits. It's the culprit for the bad breath. So you want to scrape your tongue. Or if you don't want to use a tongue cleaner or a tongue scraper like I call it, then just use a toothbrush. Get some the remainder of the toothpaste in your mouth when you're done brushing. And just go ahead and brush your tongue and really do a thorough job, because that's, like I said, where the bacteria lives and what causes the bad breath. The 4th step is something that I just incorporated into my morning routine as of maybe about 2 years ago, and it's to rinse with mouthwash. Now, the good thing is there are so many different flavors and kinds and types of mouthwashes to choose from, so you can really choose the one that suits your own needs specifically the best, okay? I use Listerine for the most part, you know, but if a different one's on sale, I'll just pick up a different one instead. But for the most part, if I have a choice, I choose Listerine. I have nothing to do with them. They're not a sponsor of this video or anything. I don't even have their product on me right now. I just really like it, and that's my own choice. I think because my dad uses Listerine, I kind of grew up with the smell of Listerine whenever he was talking, so I think that's why I flocked to it. But you can choose whichever one works for you. Rinse thoroughly with mouthwash, spit it out, okay? And then if you want, you can rinse your mouth after with just water. That's completely up to you. Yeah, you can have the freshest breath possible in the morning. It's not that hard to do. You know, just follow these 4 steps. It's a little bit of extra work. It will take you, instead of brushing your teeth for 2 minutes and being done with it, you know, doing all of these things will take you, let's say, 5 minutes or so, maybe 6 minutes, but it's the best time dedication that you will ever have, to be honest with you. And I do all of this at nighttime except for mouthwash. I don't use mouthwash at nighttime, but I do the first 3 steps: brushing, flossing, tongue cleaning, all at nighttime as well. It's honestly, it's revolutionized my mouth. I drink lots of coffee every day, and my mouth has never been cleaner despite the fact that I drink lots of coffee. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.